The Therapy Development Kit, or TDK, is a biocomputer used by advanced therapy developers who need process optimization and characterization. The TDK is the next generation of closed automation platform that accelerates your route to clinic. Unlike classical development that uses dozens of different instruments, the TDK is one configurable system for the whole therapy life cycle. Do you want to hear more about it? Stay with me. My name is Laura Ruiz. I am the Applications Lead at BiologIC, and I will take you through the TDK capabilities and how we can work together to accelerate your process optimization and development. The TDK is a configurable benchtop bioreactor system, so it can be designed specifically to fit your process. This is thanks to our 3D printing fabrication technology and configurable software. We can configure it for your full process or bottleneck areas that require optimization. So how does a TDK partnership work? We first map your process by translating your human-operated protocols into what the biology experiences during the process. This is the first fundamental step for codifying the biology of your process and being able to program it. What is the benefit on doing this? You get reproducibility and ability to scale without changing your manufacturing technology in your next steps. Then, we design your digital therapy development kit. First, we segment your process into automated routines and decide which sensing capabilities like pH or temperature you need, the culture volumes, and the integrated analytics for your TDK. Then, we convert your digital TDK into a physical TDK. We use 3D printing to manufacture it. Specifically, we use multi-material 3D printing that allows us to print the entire TDK all in one. We print the fluidics, thermals, optics, and pneumatic circuits into an integrated bioreactor system. Then the TDK is ready for your testing and start optimizing your process. If your TDK needs updating, we can look back very fast, thanks to our agile design and fabrication process. Once your process is optimized and characterized, you can scale up, out, or parallelize your production using the same system. You can reliably produce the biology at any volume you need. Would you like to hear more? Contact us on info@biologic-tech.com or connect with us in our social media platforms, LinkedIn and Twitter.